Thank you again for joining us at the Marijuana Stock Report Analysis. Today we have another Canadian company which I think is on another level for the cannabis industry and a very high potential stock and company for the future as the cannabis industry develops in Canada and US and worldwide basically here. So again, we're going to be looking at a marijuana stock, specifically Invictus. So the stock ticker is IVITF. This company has one of the most powerful platforms and licensed cannabis producer across Canada. So this is one of the very first companies to really put a stake in the medical cannabis industry, allowing them to really get a foothold ahead of everyone else as the legislation started to develop inside of Canada. Now, this company has a lot of benefits to its shareholders and to the industry as a whole. Now, one of the benefits that this company was able to do from the beginning was it was able to quickly gain the advantage when it comes to producing the pharmaceutical grade cannabis production. And producing this pharmaceutical grade cannabis and establishing the facilities to produce this, they became ahead of the curve in a sense. So this is where their strength and their ability to rapidly adjust to the shifting sector and the market, which the market we're talking about, which is the cannabis consumer market. Now let's look at Invictus overall on the stock exchange here. You have their last price at $1.02. That our volume at 52,000, our beta at 1%, exactly where we would like to have it. One of the benefits here is that this stock is one of the very first marijuana stocks to actually provide a dividend to their stock and shareholders. So you can see our dividend here at 3.92% as a dividend yield. And so this is a very nice stock to be holding over the time as the industry does start to develop. Now let's look at Invictus over the last year and 3 year comparison, and we can see here a big change here inside the price over the last year. In 2016 it did a kind of a plummet down here, and then the stock started to rise. And at that same time, the dividend yield was actually declared for the stock itself. So you can see how recent this dividend is being placed on the stock, and a great opportunity for you as an investor to get into a very bullish market. So again, I do thank you and wish you luck trading and everything that you're going to try to do to try to make you some money. Please do your own due diligent work and take a look at some of this information on Invictus. And again, we do thank you for joining us here at the Marijuana Stock Report Analysis. And we wish you luck. And remember, watch the volume.